What is up, y'all? I'm the Jammin' Outdoors, and this is my channel. Welcome back, y'all. So last week, a fellow YouTube bike rebuilder by the name of CJ Media, some of y'all may have heard of him, he's pretty big, but he decided to come down from the Great White North, up in Wisconsin, and come down to visit us in Florida. So me and Reece from Built from the Bottom actually live within an hour 30 of each other, around that, and so we decided to all meet up and hang out. And he actually brought his CBR 1000 down and his Yamaha R1M down, which was super cool. I've never seen one in person, and I've definitely never ridden one. So that was a really fun time. We ended up riding around the Boca Grande area. We didn't do a whole lot of filming because it wasn't like, you know, let's film this for YouTube or anything. It was just kind of a good hangout session. And I've never met him in person, so, you know, we're just kind of getting to know each other. But it was a whole lot of fun, and I'm just going to show y'all some clips of that day. And the GoPro kind of died early in the ride, so I didn't get a whole lot of footage of me riding, but it still was really fun, and here's a few of the clips that we did get. With Built from the Bottom and CJ Media. CJ bought his R1M down from Wisconsin as well as his CBR 1000. We brought him out here to ride, and it's a really windy day. It's a great day for a ride though. that is actually gonna be it. Sorry it wasn't a super well organized video. We didn't really have the intention of making a YouTube video out of this. We just wanted to hang out and we decided to shoot some clips. So that is actually gonna be it. Y'all stick around. I am actually getting back into rebuilding bikes. I have a lot going on at the moment. And I also have the F100 that I have, and I'm really trying to get these projects done so I can work on that. So I will have some videos coming out like the GSX-R 1000, also this XT225 probably, and then some more Concours 1400 videos. So y'all stick around and catch you on the flip side.